Hey everybody, Justin Vodehnal here for Rich & Sons. Today I wanted to bring to you the 3 essentials, or maybe you want to say the 3 must-haves for anybody camping or RVing. And those 3 things are for sure your electrical adapters. Whether it's a 50 amp camper, 30 amp camper, we've got, or you'd want the 50 to 30 amp adapter to plug into a 30 amp stall, or your 30 to 15 to plug into the house when you plug into those 2 adapters. Or if you got a 30 amp camper and you want to plug in at home, your 30 to 15 amp adapter so you can charge your batteries, watch TV, such like that. Also, having a freshwater hose is essential as well. Knowing that you have a dedicated hose to your camper, knowing that no fertilizer or any chemicals have gone through that hose is pretty important. You know it is dedicated just for that camper. And then obviously the big one, the sewer hose. That is essential for anybody going out camping. If you're using that toilet, you've got to have something to drain it. And the 15-foot sewer hose, 20-foot sewer hose, whatever you choose is going to be essential.